Hi everyone, my name is Kylie and I'm here today to talk about something that I'm very passionate about. So I love animals and I love being outside. So we're going to talk about deforestation, which is a huge issue. So deforestation started because of commercial and agricultural reasons. And this has led to the decrease in air quality and the extinction of so many important plant and animal lives. So the first reason for deforestation is agricultural reasons, which is tearing up the trees to plant cash crop or just stripping all the trees of all of their natural resources. So cash crop is when you need a big plot of land to plant a crop that you're going to return for profit. So that's like all of the vegetables we see in the store and all of the cornfields we see on the side. That's cash crop. And natural resources is the stuff we get from the forest. So this is a huge issue in the tropics because we get a lot of our resources from the tropics, like our fruits, our nuts, our cocos, our special woods. We get so much stuff from there. So the tropics is hugely affected by that. The next reason for deforestation is commercial reasons. This started when Europe got here. When the Europeans settled, 46% of the earth was forest, but it's just kept decreasing since they got here because they had to start building roads and towns, and now it's turned into subdivisions and offices and cities. So the trees have just kept decreasing due to building or making products out of the things. Another huge commercial issue is logging. So logging is a mass production of cutting down trees and turning them into timber and then sending them off to be built into furniture or anything made out of wood. Just anything you need wood for is you use logging for. So what is all of this doing? Why do we care about deforestation? What is it doing to us? So it's decreasing the air quality by a major amount, and it's also making a bunch of animals and plant life go extinct, which affects the whole ecosystem, especially us. So trees filter the CO2 in and out of them, and they release healthy oxygen for us to breathe. So with less trees, the less airflow we have. And I was reading an article that said by 2050 they believe that the world's population is going to be 10 billion. So if we keep cutting down the trees and not planting new ones, soon our air isn't going to be healthy enough for everyone to breathe. Also, global warming. So when we cut down the trees, they release the CO2 that they have stored inside them. And that is 10% of the global warming emissions emitted just from cutting down those trees. Now, extinction. So extinction is so important. You might not think that like one plant life is going to affect everything, but it does, because then once that plant life is gone, if something feeds on that, then that animal suffers, and then the one above that and so on. So if one thing goes extinct, it affects all of them. And again, this is huge in the tropics. The tropical forest has 2/3 of our Earth's diversity. So if we keep cutting down the tropics, all of those different plant and animal lives aren't going to have anywhere to go. So in the last century, we have lost 17% of our tropics, and it just keeps going up. Now, I know all of this doesn't seem like a big issue or something that you have to worry about, but if we all work together to help, so you could volunteer at a river cleanup, or you could go volunteer at a national forest, or plant a community garden in your own city. Any of this will help with the commercial and agricultural reasons. They both have consequences, whether it's bad air quality or extinction or anything. Helping just a little bit will help our air. Thank you so much.